These two things are the same material. They are just 90 days apart. So let us start at the very beginning, where the leather is still alive.
Water buffalo have worked beside South Asian families for thousands of years. For most of their lives, these animals give milk and pull farm work.
Buffalo hide is thicker than cowhide, with a bolder and more open grain.
Every vehicle that enters the facility is disinfected before it goes one step further. A wheel bath stops anything from outside reaching the animals inside. The animals are unloaded slowly because stress is bad for both welfare and quality. Inside, every stall is washed daily and kept bright, dry, and calm.
Each animal carries a tag, so its full history can be traced in seconds.
Health, weight, and origin are logged the moment the animal arrives. A vet checks every animal and signs off only when it is healthy. One approval is all it takes to move an animal forward.
A misting corridor washes each animal before it moves deeper inside.
You can already see the grain that will one day become a bag. From one control room, staff watch every corner of the facility live.
Nothing in this building happens without someone watching and recording it.
Beyond the stalls, the real transformation hall waits, clean and ready.
Step outside, and you finally see how large this operation really is.
This is one of South Asia's great tannery towns, working hide the way Kanpur always has. The hides arrive as a byproduct of the meat and dairy trade. Each raw hide is salt-cured first, so it survives the journey to the plant. A machine grades every hide by size and grain before anything else begins. Stiff hides go into soaking drums that bring back their softness with water. Inside, clean water rinses away salt and dirt for several hours. Next, a liming drum loosens the hair from the skin with a strong solution. When the drum stops, the hair simply lifts away, leaving bare hide behind. In seconds, the machine removes what once took hours of skilled handwork. Each hide leaves smooth and even, ready for the chemistry that comes next. A deleaming bath now removes the harsh lime and calms the hide's chemistry. Plating uses gentle enzymes to make the hide soft, supple, and ready to take dye. A pickling bath then prepares the fibers to lock in the tanning agents. A laser scanner now reads the hide and marks the very best as grade A.
The screen maps every thickness and flaw, so cutting can avoid every weak spot later. Chrome tanning is the moment raw skin becomes true, lasting leather. Inside, tanning salts bond to the fibers and stop the hide from ever rotting.
It comes out soft and pale blue, the stage the trade calls wet blue leather.
A splitting machine slices the thick hide into even layers with one clean pass. The top grain layer is the one chosen for a premium laptop bag. A shaving machine then trims the back until the thickness is perfectly even. The gauge confirms the leather is exactly the right thickness for a padded bag. Now the leather meets its color, a rich and dark espresso-brown dye. Watch the pale leather drink in the dye until it turns a deep espresso brown.
The drum keeps turning, so the espresso color soaks in completely and evenly.
Warm oils are added next, in a step called fat liquoring, to feed the fibers.
It leaves the drum espresso brown, soft, and strong, ready to be dried.
A vacuum dryer pulls out moisture fast while keeping the leather flat and smooth. When the cycle ends, the leather is dry, stable, and perfectly even across the surface. A roller coater now lays down the waxed pull-up finish that gives the bag its glow.
Bend the leather and it lightens, then darkens again, the famous pull-up effect.
Row after row of finished hides now waits, each one a rich, waxed espresso brown. A vision system maps the hide and marks only the flawless areas for cutting. If it sees a single scar, the machine simply plans the panels around it. A clicker press now stamps the body panels out, clean and exact, in one strike. For complex shapes, a CNC knife cuts each panel exactly to the digital template.
Every panel for the laptop bag and the camera bag is now cut and waiting.
The matching camera bag shares the same leather, the same color, and the same finish.
A skiving machine shaves each edge thin, so the leather can fold without bulk.
These thin edges are why a luxury bag folds crisply instead of looking thick and clumsy.
Sorted by part, the panels now move toward the stage where a bag finally takes shape. Foam padding is now bonded behind the laptop and camera panels for real protection. A heat press laminates the layers together, so the padding never shifts or sags. The result is a firm, cushioned wall that will cradle a $1,000 laptop.
Edges are glued and folded so seams sit flat before any stitching begins.
A soft fabric lining is fitted inside so nothing scratches your screen or lens.
Padded dividers go into the camera bag, ready to hold lenses safely in place. A heavy-duty machine now stitches the panels together with strong, dark, even thread. Each stitch pulls tight, locking the seam so the bag can carry real weight.
And here, for the first time, all those flat panels become a real bag.
A machine fits the gunmetal gray YKK zipper, the part you will open every single day. Pneumatic rivets now lock the strap, buckles, and hardware so they never pull loose.
The shoulder strap is fitted and tested, ready to carry a full load all day.
An edge painting wheel seals every exposed edge with a smooth, dark, weatherproof finish.
Conditioner is buffed in last, bringing out the deep shine of the espresso brown leather.
A real laptop is slid in to prove the padded sleeve fits and protects perfectly.
A final vision check passes the bag, and only then is it wrapped and boxed.
Look closely, and you can see the very same grain in both the hide and the bag. A laptop, a phone, and a camera all find their place inside this single bag. The matching camera insert holds a body and lenses, each one cushioned and secure.
A working professional lifts it, and the bag finally begins the life it was made for.
The laptop slides into its padded sleeve, and one easy zip keeps it safe.
From a South Asian farm to a city street, this is the full story of one bag.
One hide. One bag built to last for years.
This production by NextForge Labs is created for educational and illustrative purposes using advanced AI technologies. Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process. From GIF conceptualization to video generation, human creativity leads every step. NextForge Labs channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and follows all 2026 YouTube monetization rules.